Hello everyone, and this is Owee. Well, today we make one review about the Deepin 20, but not that 20, the Deepin beta. I upgrade my Deepin beta. I have now my release, the stable release. That is okay. It's perfect. I'm update. Here I update. It's all okay, no problem. Yeah, it's working. It's update. Okay, we go now. Well, if you want to have the release, you come in here. The website is deepin.or or .org. You can the first, if your computer is in English, is coming in English. But if your computer is in Chinese, coming in Chinese. But if not in other language, maybe coming in English. Okay, you can download here the new release. No problem. Yes. Well, let's go to see my computer. You see, it's very fast, because in the beta it's a little slow, but now I will show you. Here the edition is 20 community Deepin. That's the case, perfect. I'm happy. Here the keyword is, I have my keywords in Persian, French, Russian, yes, in other language too, for change my computer. Yes, I have the power. In the power I have my configuration. Yes, you have in the date, you can configuration your date, no problem. The sound I configuration too. The microphone is working, other things too. Sound effects I disable because it's a lot sound effects in, like close the windows, is when the coming some notification is coming, one pop-up is one another sound. Yes, I have here the notification, all these programs here. When I save some things or I don't save nothing, is coming here. It's not disabled, but yeah. Here in the dem, I'm use the dark. If I choose the light, you can see that. And sometimes if you see this green, you can configuration if you like the purple, red, yellow, and other color, blue or dark. Yes, you can choose. Well, I'm choose that, but I'm choose the dark because it's, for my eyes, is very, very good. Well, in here I have one says about one effect, like for example a magic lamp. I will click here. You need to see the effect. Okay, I will click again here. Yes, and now if you see in scale, I click is different. If you are different, you can choose another application here. I have May, test, music, video, pictures. I'm use terminal too, so you can display something. I have my light, how the bright my computer. That's okay. Yes, that's it for now. Well, now if you want to, if you see my pointer is different, I will click here. I come in here. You come in cursor then. Is the last bloom dark. I'm choose that because it's funny, it's cute, it's good. I think. I want another. I don't know, but it's coming another themes here. Is light, dark, and other things is better. Maybe like a green or other themes. I think the color is changed, all the things. That's better. I think in the next time, I'm not sure, but Deepin is upgrade. That'll be good. Okay, now if you see my wallpaper in my desktop, you can change. Click here, wallpaper and screen. You can see, well, that's in my own wallpaper, but here is the Deepin wallpaper. You see, you click here, you can choose. For example, I will choose that or that. Oh, it's good. Oh, like that. But you can choose is in only desktop or in the screen. In the screen, when you look your computer, is coming the screen this wallpaper. But I will choose for only desktop. Okay, that's in my desktop. That's great. Yes, you can see here a lot this. Like for example, I will choose that. It show me all windows is open. Yes, you can click here and enter there. Again, you click here and show you something. You click enter there. Okay, that's it. Yes. Click here, click here, click here. For example, again, I will enter here, but I want to show my desktop. I click here, show the desktop. Click, okay. All the window is gone. But if I want to back, I click again. It's back the windows. So yes, and sometimes you can find in this here the calendar. Click here in the calendar, is open the calendar. Well, I have some meeting all the days. I will see, click here, but now you see meeting with, so all the time, yes. But here for study, you want to see for year, like that, week, yes. Well, you can click here, you can show your keyword on board here. If you want another keyword, for example, here I have the US, United States. Click here, I have the French. The French is changed that. I hope you look that is changed in the French. But if I choose another like Russian, is changed. It's perfect. Well, in Chinese, I'm not sure. It's not changed, I think. I need to configure that about the Chinese. But in Persian, it's changed. That's good. That's great. Yes. In Finnish, it's the same. I don't add these vowels and this vowel. This different tree. Yes, I will in my normal keyword. You can make this big or no. You can choose. You can move that where you want. Okay, you click here. Well, here is all my programs. If you want to see more, you click here. I have all my programs. Yes, but if you want to install another program, you come here, App Store. Yes, or you come here and you search App Store. It's the same, no problem. And here is coming the draw, or it's like a paint in Windows, but it's different. It's very useful. Well, here's the App Store. In this place you can install different programs if you want something. Well, I have my program here, but I will choose okay, maybe I will see internet. If you see, it's different. is different the last version, so you can enter and click to install. For example, here you say install, but if you want to see the programs, and you click here, not here. You click here, Midori is give you some information, for example, category, the version, the size, who developer, the website, the update, this program, and some description, and some picture too. You can, if you like that to install, so you see some review here in Chinese, but you can install here. If you like other, for example, chat, you can install, for example, WeChat, QQ, WhatsApp, Skype, Discord, WeChat, or WeChat, Corbier. Yes, you want, you can install. Well, in the games, well, for me, I like one games. In the next, I will show you my games. For example, here that is good, but you have time, you can install that. It's interesting. You can take your time to install, to play this game. Another is Majo. I like Majo because it's very good for me. Another games, well, Warzone, that's great too, but if you need time, yes, that's good. This text typing is good for learn typing, but for if you have some kids, or you in some college or school, you have kids to typing, that's great. Yes, you see here is loading. Here the G-Compress is for kids too. Is the kids is love you because a lot tools for learn math, the number, I'm not sure, language and other things too. Yes. Well, you need to explore more, and you choose what's the program and you can install. Yes. If you want here, I'm not download other. You want to update? I don't have updated, but I have here recent. Here I install. I can click here for my apps. My program here in my computer. If you don't like something, you can come here and uninstall the program you don't like. So that is my app store. Well, other things about this is, for example, I will click here. You can see the fashion mode. The fashion mode is like that. It's good. It's cute. Yes, you can use. But for me, is here I don't like pen or what's space here. But I like to use, for example, I come here. Look at that. This is space. I don't like that. But I can F is better for me. But if you like a window here in the bottom, you come here, location, you can click, it's coming in the bottom. But if you like it like other Linux in the left, on the right, you can change the location. So the left, it can be left. Location or the right, you can change to right. But remember, here I will click here. In the last Deepin, the 15 is different. You come into control center, is coming one Windows at the side, but here is different. Now it's very different. Yes, you use it for, but if you like it, that is cool. Yes, you have. Yes, that's great. Well, for me, for now, I like that the top. Well, other things too is keep the show, keep the hiding, or smart hiding. The smart hiding is, for example, like that. I'm used now, no windows here, but when I open some windows like that, is close, is hiding the menu. I need to come here, the top is coming the menu. So, but sometimes it's good, sometimes it's not, but yes, if you like that, it's good. Start, well, the plugin is all the, for example, you can see all this menu here is this plugin. I will add the trash. Look that here, the trash. I don't like the trash here. Yes, on bar, notification center, multi-task view. Yes, all this daytime for me is okay. Other than two, if you see here, is changed my cursor on my mouse. I will like that. You can change the behavior, but if that's okay for me. Other than two is okay. We will check. Well, if you have time, you can check all the basic programs here. For example, the system monitor. Others too. Voice note is very good because you help. If you save some voice note, that's great. Well, for me it's great. Other apps is here. Well, other program for the fault I don't find. Other program you need is Synaptics package. That is, if you want to download other programs, you can find all the programs in here. Any programs you can install to your computer. If you don't find in App Store, you can enter here. For example, I will click here. I need the password for enter here. I will enter my password. I will exchange all, and here you can here search. Click here. You say, for example, Docker. Click here. You see. You can, if you want to install you, as long as you click here, mark, yes, you mark, and here is application. You click here, you can application this to install this program on your computer. Oh wow. Yes, other well, here you have the music. Yes, the file manager is very different. For example, here you can see enter here my desktop, home, click here. You can change the theme and light them. Oh, was very clear. You can choose dark theme or the system theme. The system theme is the same as the dark theme. For example, dark theme is that's it. We come here, we choose the system theme is the same because I'm choosing the dark theme in my system. Other than two is the settings. You can set the password for enter here. Well, other than two, if you have time, enjoy, explore more, and test. Yes. Here is very interesting. I will click here. For example, I will enter here. I click here. I want to click here. You see, is all information about that. You can tag in any color because it's very important. For example, I will enter to document. For example, I will enter person because I learn person. If you see is other documents you not have one color. For example, here is color this tree. In here I have this color is one label. I click here is directly to open this file or this document because it's linked to this label and the icon is the same. Yes. Wow. Others too, yes, like that. If you like it, that's perfect. I want to change my status show. Okay, that's great. Okay, we close. Yes, that's it for here is the Deepin. We here where is click here. Well, this is Deepin 20 is the release that is stable, that's good. You can install and upgrade, that is great. Yes, if you have any question or any opinion, please in the send me some of your opinion or send me some question, whatever. But if you like this video, give me a like. Yes, and don't forget subscribe to my channel. I will update yes, every week some video about that. Well, for this time I don't make some video because I'm working in my job. But now I will in the next week I will have more free time, so I will make some videos too. For now I will leave with this Deepin, this release. That's okay. In the next you can see my game player. Okay, you like it, give me a like. Have a good day. This is Owee.